Of Vader Prowse was 85 years old.
Deer season is in full swing across the Buckeye State right now. Archery season's been running since late September, but many Ohio hunters are now getting ready to head out for gun season. It starts tomorrow here in Ohio. The Buckeye State's gun season for deer runs from tomorrow, November 30th, to a week from today, Sunday, December 6th. There's also a two-day bonus weekend for gun season on December 19th and 20th. ODNR's Division of Wildlife says Ohio hunters can harvest up to 63,000 deer during the week-long deer gun season and another 13,000 during the two-day bonus weekend. ODNR says Ohio is a popular hunting spot for many out-of-state hunters. In fact, during the 2019-2020 hunting seasons, the state sold more than 34,000 non-resident Ohio hunting licenses.
Well, I'm tracking rain that's moving across the Miami Valley for us this overnight hours into the start of Monday. But all of this is going to transition over to snow, and that will lead to our first accumulating snow across the Miami Valley for this year. Live Doppler 7 radar, as we take a bigger picture view, you'll notice there is a ton of moisture that is feeding up from the south. And take a look at that deeper yellow and reds. That's the enhanced rainfall that's going to time up with some colder air pushing in from the north and northwest. Right on the back edge, the fringe of this rain shield, you can see the snow showers taking over in central and eastern Illinois. That will shift gradually across the area tonight as this storm system is now taking over the eastern third of the country. Temperatures will take a while to cool off though, so we will be mainly rain through much of tonight. As we get into early tomorrow morning, you'll notice temperatures at the surface are still above freezing. That's a big factor when you're talking about snowfall potential. The column of air may fall below freezing until it gets right there close to the surface, and if you have that snowflake hitting that above freezing temperature there, you get that wet snowflake and it turns into more of a slushy mess. That's what we'll be dealing with into the start of Monday. Notice even through 4:30, still just rain. We start to get that mix there at 6 a.m. The sun comes up, and even though it's snowing and we have the cloud cover there, the UV rays get through the clouds and the snow and still help to keep the pavement temperature from taking on that snowfall. Keeps it up a little bit milder. So some snow showers through the middle part of the day. After we get into the sunset hour, the snow showers will then begin to stick. The road itself will start to take on the snow. Good news is the heaviest of the snow will already be shifting off to our east. We'll have some scattered light snow showers for Monday night into the day on Tuesday, and at times may even get a few lake effect snow bands that sneak in across the north, and that may hike up our snow totals a little bit more there. This is generally what we're seeing across the area, about an inch at least, perhaps up to 3 inches in the Dayton area, and generally right through the central part of the Miami Valley. Lesser amounts as you get to the south and west, some higher isolated totals, 3 to 4 inches likely as you get closer to Wapakoneta, Bellefontaine, and Urbana. Road conditions will go downhill as we get into tomorrow night, early Tuesday, as you'll see, becoming slick and icy after sunset into the start of Tuesday. And that's why there is that winter weather advisory beginning at 7 a.m. tomorrow and lasting through Tuesday morning. So our weather impacts with this storm system, that's more what you should focus in on, not necessarily how much snow will fall, because we will have those icy roads. Winds will also kick up, and they could be as high as 25 to 35 miles per hour. And we'll also be dealing with wind chills in the teens and 20s on Tuesday. Here's just a quick check of those wind chills on Tuesday. Notice at 7 a.m. a wind chill in the middle teens, and we'll only get to about 20 degrees for your feels like forecast for Tuesday afternoon, and then they fall right back off as we head into Tuesday night. So there's that 5-day forecast storm tracking alert for Monday and Tuesday. We'll have that snow around scattered in nature, and then we dry out Wednesday with a few flurries early. A few passing sprinkles or flurries may return again on Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow morning, meteorologist Kirsty Zontini and Josie Mag are up with you at 4:25, and they will be tracking the changeover from rain to snow.
Coming up, the Negro League's Baseball Museum is now temporarily shut down after staff members contracted COVID-19. When the museum says it expects to reopen so you can get a look at baseball history.
And a Formula One race car driver escapes from his car as it's up in flames. A look at the unbelievable video and how he's doing tonight.